Okay, somebody asked me a question the other day is, what in the heck are you guys doing? You're making all these videos, you're showing us how to cook, you're making things look simple that are really not that simple, but they're simple anyway, and that's what I do. We're taking a bus of all of you guys and we're going all over the place, all over Europe, all over the United States. We're going all over making recipes and things and ways to do it. And I like to take, here's Mickey's eyes, Mickey Mouse with us. And Mickey likes to cook. He likes to enjoy. He likes to dine at home and feed his family. And you know, Mickey is a good person. For those of you that have ever been to Disneyland, you know this. So we have a bus. It's our culinary bus that we're driving around, and we love you all, and we love that you're on the bus with us. And remember, we cook, eat, and enjoy here at Carpizzo's Kitchen, but we also cook, eat, and enjoy to make all of you happy for your families and teach you easy ways to do things and show you different appliances that you can use. And that is the culinary travel. We're on a culinary travel for different tastes and flavors and appliances and grills and pans and whatever it might be. Air fry ovens.
Experiencing different cultures.
And different cultures, as Anthony says, that we have made different ways and showed you easy ways to do things here at Carpizzo's Kitchen. So there we have it. What I need for you to do, if you haven't yet, is subscribe to our channel. And if you haven't yet watched any of our full cooking videos, go to the playlist and select something. There's lots of them there to choose from, and I make all kinds of stuff the easy way, the Carpizzo way, the Carpizzo Kitchen culinary expedition we're on. Okay.
Especially the pasta.
And pastas, don't forget, you need to watch our pasta recipes. I've got a lot of them there. Okay, so this is Peter Carpizzo's, and today, what am I doing? Anthony will show us before we go. We're caramelizing onions here. Look at this. Look at them. They're getting there. Look at them. They're starting to go. Look at this. Isn't this something?
Is there going to be more pasta coming up?
We'll be making more pasta recipes as we move forward. Okay, so there we have it, everybody.
Oh, it is looking good now.
This is Peter Carpizzo's, and we love you all, as always. Out.